Hi, Alan Stratton from As Wood Turns. On behalf of Carl Jacobson and myself, it's time for the Christmas Ornament Challenge of 2018, our 7th Christmas Ornament Challenge. We're going to do things a little bit differently this year. I think you'll like the changes. First and foremost, last year we opened it to all crafts. We started off as wood turning, then it would be all crafts. We'll continue all crafts this year, but we're going to eliminate the requirement for a video. So if you've been put off by the fact that you didn't want to make a video, just still pictures, you're okay. Just take a still picture, send that in as being your submission to the Christmas Ornament Challenge. If you make a video, we'll link your picture to it, but we're going to judge this on the basis of these still pictures. In years past, we had a growing international list of participants, and they got kind of a bad break in this because the cost of shipping prices was immense. We couldn't find a solution to this that would enable prizes, so we're eliminating the prizes, and we're doing this now for the joy of participating and the opportunity to show off our stuff. So, any craft, any skill level, novice, intermediate, expert, let's see your best stuff in the spirit of Christmas. Now, when you have made your ornament, take a still picture. If you really think you got to have multiple views, compose the picture into one picture. Then upload it. If you're a novice, show us your best stuff. If you're an intermediate skilled person in whatever craft it is, show us your best stuff. If you're an expert in whatever craft it is, show us your best stuff. And we'll group people at least by those categories. Now, how will we judge this to have that degree of fun in it? Well, we're going to produce videos that show us all the pictures and have you vote, like you did last year, in which ones you like best. And then, once that's all in, we will show a completed video of just the clear winners of this. So, what do? Make your Christmas ornament. This season stuff, don't show us for something 10 years ago. Make your Christmas ornament. Give us your best still picture of that. Tell us who you are, what class for, and other details about your ornament. And then put it in on the web page, which I'll put up there. And let's have some good fun with this. Again, any craft, still picture, upload it, month of November. Let's have some fun, and Merry Christmas.